Hey everyone, welcome back to Story Tales, where we bring you the most fascinating stories from around the world. Trains, a common mode of transport used worldwide. For many of us, taking a train ride is an exciting part of a journey. Watching beautiful landscapes rush by as the train glides down the tracks can feel peaceful and relaxing. But not all train journeys are so calm. Some tracks are built in terrifying locations, hanging over cliffs, running through risky terrains, or even passing over deep oceans. These train routes are so dangerous that passengers often travel with fear in their hearts. Today on Story Tales, we explore some of the most dangerous train routes in the world. Stay with us till the end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Number 1. The Pamban Bridge, Chennai, Rameshwaram Sea Bridge in India. Our first stop takes us to India's Chennai, Rameshwaram train route. This railway track crosses the Pamban Bridge, an ancient structure built back in 1914 to connect mainland India to the holy Rameshwaram island. While this bridge offers breathtaking views of the Indian Ocean, it's also one of the most dangerous train routes in the world. Why? Because this train crosses nearly 2.3 kilometers of open ocean, with nothing but steel tracks keeping it above the violent waves. During storms, strong winds and high tides often threaten to push the train off the tracks. Even a small mistake by the driver could send the entire train plunging into the deep ocean below. Passengers often say this ride feels like traveling on the edge of disaster. Number 2. The Tren Las Nubes, Train to the Clouds in Argentina. Next, this story is about a railway in Argentina famously known as their train that travels through the clouds. It took an incredible 27 years to build this railway. The train covers a distance of 217 kilometers, 135 miles, from Salter in Argentina to Polvorillar in Chile. This railway climbs to an altitude of over 4,000 meters above sea level. It takes passengers through 29 bridges, 21 tunnels, and numerous winding tracks that snake dangerously around rocky cliffs. As you travel, you'll often feel like you're floating among the clouds. This railway is considered one of the most dangerous in the world due to the extreme heights and conditions, making it a breathtaking yet nerve-wracking journey. It's truly a unique and unforgettable experience for anyone daring enough to travel on it. Number 3. The Devil's Nose Railway, in Ecuador. In Ecuador, you'll find the infamous Devil's Nose Railway. This track wasn't just difficult to build, it was deadly. The name comes from a legend, but the railway itself isn't famous for having a positive history. Instead, it is considered one of the most dangerous railways in the world due to its steep tracks and perilous conditions. The railway was built in the late 19th century when Ecuador's president wanted to improve the country's infrastructure. He believed the best way to do this was by connecting the country's two major cities through a railway. The construction required over 4,000 workers, but the project faced many challenges, including harsh conditions and dangerous cliffs. Sadly, many workers lost their lives due to accidents during the construction process. The train navigates steep inclines and sharp switchbacks, making it feel like a rollercoaster ride. Even today, travelers fear this risky journey, where one slight derailment could lead to a disastrous fall. Number 4. The Minami Aso Railway, in Japan. This story is about the Minami Aso Railway in Japan, which is surprisingly considered one of the scariest railways despite Japan's reputation for advanced technology and safety. The railway passes through the Minami Aso region, which surrounds an active volcano. The fact that this volcano could erupt at any time adds to the danger associated with the railway. This train passes dangerously close to an active volcano. In 2016, a powerful earthquake damaged the tracks and nearby bridges, making the journey even riskier. Although repairs are ongoing, the unpredictable volcanic activity still makes this route a terrifying experience for many passengers. Imagine riding a train while wondering when the volcano might erupt. Number 5. The Kuranda Scenic Railway, in Australia. In Australia, the Kuranda Scenic Railway offers one of the most breathtaking yet dangerous train rides in the world. It runs for 37 kilometers through a protected rainforest area, making the journey both beautiful and exciting. On one side of the train, you can enjoy amazing views of the greenery, wildlife, and waterfalls like Barron Falls and Stony Creek Falls, right through the windows. But the other side of the track is known for its steep and thrilling scenery, which some might find a bit scary. But this beauty hides danger. The route has 40 narrow bridges and 15 tunnels, some built over rocky cliffs. Frequent landslides and flooding pose serious risks, making the journey unpredictable. Because of such risks, this railway is often considered one of the world's most dangerous train journeys, but also one of the most memorable. Number 6. The Death Railway, in Thailand. Perhaps the most chilling train route is the infamous Death Railway in Thailand. Built during World War II, this track stretches from Thailand to Myanmar and is known for its tragic history. Thousands of prisoners of war and forced laborers died during its construction due to harsh conditions, making this railway not only dangerous but deeply tragic. The route passes over unstable bridges and runs alongside steep cliffs, making it extremely dangerous. Even today, the path remains unpredictable, earning it the tragic name Death Railway. Number 7. India's dangerous train routes. Finally, let's talk about India's extensive railway network. Indian railways, though essential and expansive, can sometimes pose challenges for travelers, making it important to choose this mode of transport thoughtfully. Safety concerns don't just stem from natural accidents but also from issues like theft, fraud, and crime involving individuals. Since 2007, there have been reports of railway accidents resulting in deaths, with an average of 9 fatalities per day during that time. Between 2011 and 2015, crime rates on the railway increased by over 50%, as reported. In recent years, Indian Railways has improved security with CCTV surveillance and better maintenance, yet certain routes remain high risk due to unpredictable natural disasters, criminal activity, and aging infrastructure. Therefore, when exploring the beauty of India through train journeys, selecting and preparing carefully for the routes is invaluable to ensure a safe and pleasant experience. So, which train route do you think is the scariest? Would you be brave enough to take a ride on any of these tracks? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more thrilling content. See you in the next episode of Story Tales.